Hey there, friends. Going to be uninstalling this ceiling fan here. Just want to make sure your power's off. This one here is a little bit different. It has a little cover on the screws. Well, this should just twist off. And it's not moving. It's not moving. Well, fiddlesticks. I don't know why that's not moving down there. Should just be coming off of there. Unless I'm maybe just not able to. That part should just come down. Oh. Helps if you do it the right way. All right, so that just twists to one side and it just falls down. This one's got, how many screws do we got here? One there. So a lot of these have different setups here. It's weird. I don't know why the screws got stuff all over it. You just want to take the screws out to have the housing where it's just solid. There's one. And there's another one. Now, if this is too heavy for you, you can take the fan blades off and stuff like that. It's just getting a little warm now, so I'm gonna take my jacket off. It's not feeling so great here. 1 second. All right. And these are kind of a tight fit up here. Not the easiest thing to unscrew because they're right next to the ceiling like this. So you want to make sure your power is off before you do this. It's giving me some trouble here. Just not an easy angle to unscrew this. All right, there's number 2. Now these other screws, they have a little place where you can twist it and then turn it on. So you want to unscrew those about 50%, just so they're not tight. So like this one here has that little gap right there next to it. That's going to allow us to turn this housing just like that. Alrighty. So now that we see that, we can take our little tester, test our wires, make sure we're all good on that. Appears to be good. Okay, so this has got this here. Basically just want to unscrew our wires. Just the main ones, your hot, your ground, and your neutral. So there's that. Gonna undo our ground next. Twist these off. Righty tighty and lefty is loosey. So we have a lot of ground wires. But 3 ground wires going on there. That's pretty crazy. And then what else we got going on here? There's our black one there. What do we got coming out of here? That's there. Are we disconnected or what do we got? I think not yet. Oh, good golly, that one's not a lot. Not a lot. We got a red. We got a black. And I think we're good to go. So once we got all our wires disconnected, this one just lifts up and out of the way there. Okay. That's fairly simple. And That is hooked up there with a flathead screwdriver, so I'm gonna have to remove that. But that's how you get the fan out of there, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.